Hello everybody, today it's a beautiful day. And today you will make a strawberry jam. Now it's a good time to go to the farm and you pick up a strawberry by yourself or you can buy. I got over here 4 pounds of strawberry. I wash and I clean up really good. And 4 pounds I use 1 squeeze lemon, 1 lemon juice, and I got a 3/4 sugar. And this is the parts you gotta use. Now, I was make already the strawberry jam for me already a couple of weeks ago. And this is the strawberry can make, and when I make a nice toast, and look, how beautiful look. Now, I like it this way. So you want more liquid, you can make it more liquid. And so you want more thick, you can make it more thick. But this, you gotta cook for 2 hours. And now we start to chop the strawberry. Now, so you got a big strawberry, you can chop a little more piece. But this one, I chop on a half like this, and I'll do another half like that. And we do like this all the time. Now this is small, and I do 3 pieces. Watch your finger when you cut this, okay? You know when you cut your little finger. And the big one, we do 4 pieces. Look at this, this is a big one. And we do like this. Now we pick it up and we put it right in these pots. But when you cook, you gotta put, when it starts to boil, you gotta put it really, really low. And once in a while, you gotta turn the no stick on the pots.
Yeah, they local, they from farm, we pick up from the farm.
Yeah, now it's a good time to pick up.
Hello from Ireland.
Hello, Highland. Now the strawberry, it's a nice, really nice sweet.
Maria from Portugal.
Portogallo.
Alabama.
Alabama, Portogallo.
You have somebody from France too.
All the friends, what is I call this? What is I call this, la friends? The strawberry.
Sei Italian.
In Italy we call fragole.
Fraise.
Oh, the fraise, la française, c'est les fraises.
Hello from South Texas.
Hello, Texas.
And Nebraska.
Nebraska,
Montreal,
Texas.
Philadelphia. You have a lot of people watching today.
Hello, Philadelphia. Philadelphia.
And from Greece. Wow.
La Grecia.
And from Malta.
Grecia, Malta. Every place, everybody can make this strawberry jam. But now, like I say, it's a really good time for this.
beautiful strawberry.
It's really sweet.
It's always better because you can have control over sugar. It's not too much, unless you like sweet, so
It's better not really sweet, you know. Too much sugar. Maybe a lot of people like a lot of sweet, but
yeah, we have already done one big jar, yes, and one we're eating already. Some Georgie make strawberry rhubarb. Yeah, it's good too. Delicious.
oh, look how nice. Look at this, beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm not got too many to go.
Well, it all depends what kind of jar you want to use it. The smaller or bigger. It should be like four jars.
I use the jar. I can make a tomato sauce. And I use that kind of the jar. It's really good to get, you know.
Yeah, but not the big one.
It's still good. Or you can use the big jar.
No, the big is too big. Hello from Foggia.
Foggia! Fa molto caldo a Foggia, il mio paese è Orsara, è vicino Troia. Vicino Troia, Montaguto, Panni, Bovino.
No, we not put wax, no. No, we'll be doing in a can. We put in a jar, glass jar.
Almost done. A little bit more.
Did you ever make torrone?
Torrone? No. Il torrone di Benevento. Il torrone è molto buono. Really good. Il torrone, I like torrone.
Yeah, make a pasta with broccoli. Yeah, we have video posted. Lisa, she said we'll get lost in Foggia once.
Yeah?
No, not from the garden. No, we don't have strawberry.
Okay, now we move this and we move this and this is the pot. Now we put the lemon and with the lemon and the sugar. Okay. And now we gotta start the turn because we make a little wet the lemon. Before you put on the stove, it gotta be a little wet.
How long you cook for?
This you gotta cook for 2 hours. The way I was showing this one over here. This you was cook for 2 hours. But if you like more liquid, you cook less. If you like more thick, you can cook maybe for 3 hours or 2 hours and a half. But make sure when you're done, okay, you put the lemon and the sugar. Make sure the turn, okay, you gotta be a little juice already for the strawberry, everything. Look,
How many sugar you put?
It's a 3/4 cup. Look, already you can see, you see the juice already, see?
And how much lemon?
The lemon, it's 1 lemon, I squeeze. All right. Now,
No olive oil.
no, maybe we can put maybe hot pepper.
Oh, maybe it will be good.
We put all your baby inside.
Oh, that will be good too.
Yeah. We put a hot pepper, a little cayenne.
It was 4 pounds of strawberry.
Yeah, 4 pounds, yes. 4 pounds of strawberry, 1 lemon juice, 1 lemon a squeeze, and 3/4 cups sugar. Okay. Now, we can go on the stove. And we put a medium, because this you gotta go really slow. And look at the juice already, look at that. Look how beautiful already, okay? Now, make sure, because this, it's only the turn, the strawberry. I'll leave it right over here, and low, and a medium, like this.
Can you show the jar over there?
Oh,
you,
the jar?
You make other one?
The small,
This one you did already.
oh, this one over here. No,
The strawberry, the jar.
this one. Oh, this. Oh. Look at that. It's the jar I use. This it's a strawberry. Okay? And you can make it more small as you got in the jar, or you can make it more big. It's to you. So you make a lot. Maybe you can use it. You see, I got this jar. I got
It's the same.
this jar.
I think we do this jar,
Yeah.
the small one.
Yeah, this one. It's a nice. Okay. I hope somebody make the strawberry jam. Look.
You can add the rhubarb if you like, yes.
Look at this. Look at the juice already. Look at that. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to say you have a nice day today. It's a beautiful day. Maybe you can make a barbecue outside. It is so hot. And I want to say thank you very much. Somebody make the strawberry jam. Please show it to me. Send a nice picture. And I want to see what it looks like.
It was 4 pounds of strawberry, please. 3/4 sugar and 1 lemon, juice from 1 lemon.
Yeah, 1 lemon I use, 3/4 sugar, and 4 pounds of strawberry. Now you make sure the cook and medium for now, but when you start the boil, low the flame and really unload the flame. Okay, you gotta cook it for 2 hours. Okay, I want to say thank you very much, and we see next time. And thank you for the start. Thank you. See you.